I carried the beasts, baby.
God, I thank you. I thank you for allowing me to be driven to this point. Thank you very much.
Papa, please, Papa, please, no. No, Papa, no, please.
Nancy, it is better you don't waste your time trying to stop me because you can't, my dear. The last time that lousy dog raped you, I made him a promise. I told him I'll kill him if you ever get pregnant. That is one promise I must keep no matter what. So, my dear, don't waste your time.
Papa, please. Papa, please. If you hurt Afunwa, Papa, you will have my corpse in your hands. I have agreed to become his wife.
You have done what? How on earth could...
I did it. I did it, Papa. I did it to have him save a wounded and dying man. He made me hold his manhood and swear that I will willingly marry him if he agreed to save his life.
God have mercy. Who is the fellow that used such a dangerous oath in order to help? Are you not aware that in the tradition of our Nigerian community, the implication of such oath is that if you fail to marry him as you swore, you will die instantly if you set your eyes on another man's manhood.
I am aware, but what would you have me do? He lost consciousness while begging we save his life.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.